Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Ayadele, how are you? So, okay, fine. Now, so shall, hmm, so fine. Okay, so first let's understand how many different type of input, form input, right? Form input. So, and how we are writing those input using what? Those input using what? Spring sorry, HTML, those things, okay na? Spring tag library, spring tag, so our concept is what is that? Spring tag lib, right? Tag lib library only, right? Library, tag library, like write Java code in the tag format, which make easy to apply CSS, JavaScript, and UI. Like how we are writing in the GSP code, we are writing that now. In that time, at that time, what we are doing, that we are writing the Java code using tag base, right? So same functionality is given by whom? Same functionality is given Spring people also, right? Same functionality is given by whom? Spring people also. But using Spring, some more things we can do is, which kind of things? Like form binding, that is using form binding, what we can do now? What validation? Form validation, server side validation, we can do it, right? Server side validation, we can do it, okay na? Validation binding, right? That is called, in the terminology of Spring, binding, validation binding. If we want to validate our input on server side, so that is called nothing but what? Validation binding. By validation, what is that? Validation binding. One more thing, using Spring tag library, what we can do now? Multi multi form, multi language, right? Multi-language support, like which is nothing but internationalization, II-18, right? II-18 internationalization, we can apply internationalization, which is based on the country. We can open our page, and that page will give the all letters like what? All letters like what? Based on their country language, right? Based on their country language. And another one more is what? Dynamic input component, like list. If we want to select on the page, we know that, right? On the page, like any okay, check boxes is there, right? Check boxes is there. Think about that. We know that one person can know multiple language, right? Multiple language. So if we want to give that kind of input, so those inputs will go in the server side using what? List. So those things also we can use what? Like that is called what? Dynamic input component, right? That is a dynamic dynamic input dynamic input component. That is nothing but what? Dynamic input component, using what? Form tag library, right? Using form tag library, what we can do now? We can perform these operations, right? We can perform, and we will implement it. And from here onward, I will create only one project. In that project only, I will implement each and everything, friend. And after ending of the Spring MVC, that application will become one module and one project, right? So each and I am so from here onward, friend, please implement each and everything, because whatever last, from the last session onward, initial MBC onward, whatever concept I explain, all concept I will implement in this project, right? Even if you people want, you can put in your application, right? In our resume, one small application also, this, that much, that those concept I will implement in this is application, okay na? So each and everything after ending this application look like one project. This application look like one project. Each and everything based on the real things, I will design that project front of you people only. And please practice on that, right? Once if you people practice this application, all concept, whatever concept till now I explained, right? Each and every concept will become what? Clear. Clear. Each and every concept will become clear. Okay na? So from here onward I'm going to explain one project, right? Only one project I will create, and in that project I will implement each and everything from here onward, right? From here onward, previous in the previous session just I explained concept to concept. From here onward I'm going to explain this three concept only left in Spring MVC, but this three concept is more important. And without these three concepts there is no project also. Clear, right? And don't worry about, I will, this concept is not easiest concept, but I will make this concept as too much easy, anyone can understand once. But practical need from you people, right? Practical need from your side also, practical need from your side also, then you people can do, then you people can do art. And analysis also is need, friends. Okay na? Analysis also need, because until unless if you people not use your brain, right, then you can't become expert in this area, right? So I'm teaching, it's see, mind is there, multiple different thinking capacity is there, right? So different if the multiple people in will think about different way, then the think will become wonder. If the person, see, if anybody saying that ki I started one company based on myself only, no. See, team is need, right? One person can't do any big thing until unless teamwork is not there, right? See, in the real time also, why we are doing work in the team. In one project multiple people are there, that is called what? Teamwork is there. In the project we are doing the teamwork, right? uh, something we know that, something the others know that, right? Some area other person is good, some area one person is good, right? So we are helping each other, and after ending up that, what, we are completing that project and releasing to clients, right? Then we are releasing that clients. Okay na? So like that attitude if we there inside our inside us, right, then success is there, success is there. From, so let's start it. Okay na? So Spring Form Tag Library, tag component and their equivalent HTML code. Let's first see that, right? First see that whenever we are writing on the HTML page, that code, how we are writing that things, and the same things whenever we are using, whenever we are writing that code using what? Spring Form Tag Library, how that is the syntax, how the syntax is there. Okay na? So let's see that those component. After then we will implement those component in the application only, right? In the application only. From here onward I will create only one project, and whatever concept I will explain, those concept I will add in the same project only, right? Same project only. Then after ending of the Spring MVC, that same application will become one project, right? One project. And you people will become what? Hands-on experience on that project also, if I implement those things front of you people, and I will give the analysis also, right? But from your side also you people analyze those things. Okay na? So let's move on and let's understand, right? So we know that how we are creating, how we are in the HTML, whenever we are creating the form, what is the tag, right? Like this in the HTML, this is HTML, right? This is what? HTML code I'm writing, right? HTML code I'm writing. How we are writing that form? Whenever we are creating the form, right? Form, inside that, what is that attribute? Action attribute is there, right? Action attribute is there. After then another one is method. Another one is what? Method is there, right? Another one is what? Method is there. After then we are closing that form or not. Okay na? So same like this code, whenever we are writing using what? Spring Form Tag Library, the code, right? The code is look like this only in the HTML. Spring Spring Tag Library, na? STL. Think about that. I'm writing the short form STL, right? In the Spring Form Tag Library, how this code is look like? Let's see that, right? So form prefix we are giving. First we have need, like how we are working on the GSTL, like GSP, right? GSP. So we have need to add what? GSTL code or not? We have need to use load GSTL tags like URL and URI. Same like we have need to what? Same like we have need to add in the GSP page what? Spring form tag library URL, right? So how we are adding that? Let's see that, right? From the internet we will copy that, right? Spring form tag library live URL. Just I'm searching that from the internet. Don't remember these things, okay na friend? Mm, okay, just copy. Which one how we are importing that? See, at the rate tag lib using tag lib, this is the URL. Which one? See, www spring framework org tag form, right? This is the tag, okay na? This is the tag, fine. So how we are doing that now? How we are doing that now? So we will paste, we will add this tag, then we can get the spring tag library. Spring tag library is what? Spring tag library is URL tags, right? Tags to work on spring. Don't worry, still it's look like theory, right? Theory, when I will implement, I will use this one only. I will use these things only on the GSP page, okay na? Then I will tell why I explain these things to you people, okay? So let's move on and let's see that, okay na? So same code. This is the what? HTML code, right? But whenever we are writing using what? STL, Spring Form Tag Library, how we are writing that? Let's see that, okay na? Let's see that, okay? So using what is that? How we are writing that? What is the prefix here? Form, right? Using this prefix we are writing that, because we all tags related to what? Spring tag library in this URL only. So after importing that, all tags will inherit in our GSP page, right? So for that, what prefix we are taken? We taken what? Form, right? The same like form colon, right? Form colon. What we will do now? Form, right? This is the equivalent of what? STL, right? STL, spring tag library. In that spring tag library I will write this, okay na? So don't worry about that. See the things, okay na? See the things easily, okay na? After then, what is that? Action equal to what is that? Just I'm giving the after then, what is that? Model attribute, right? Model attribute inside that. After then, what we will do now? Form close form colon form, right? So equivalent of this one is the HTML code, but whenever we are using STL, spring form tag library, we will write the form tag like this, okay na? So okay, so input also we are giving, right? Input we are giving like this username, right? Name we are giving, right? Just for the name we are giving the input, right? Name. So if we want to write this one, how we are writing in the HTML? How we are writing in the HTML? See, HTML code, right? HTML code, okay, fine. In HTML, how we are writing this code? How we are writing this code? Like this, okay na? Input, right? Input type equal to how we are writing text, right? TEXT, text. We are writing that text. Name equal to what is that? Name tag we are using that. Name tag we are using that, right? So like this we are writing this tag, right? Like this we are input tag we are writing, right? So but whenever we are writing this input using what? STL, how we are writing that? Let's see that, right? Let's see that. So form colon, right? For that, form colon what is that? Input. Form colon input, right? Input equal to what is that? No, input, just what is that? Path equal to, here we will write what is that? Model attribute name we will write it, right? Don't worry about that, I will tell next when I will create the project. At the time, model attribute name means in the application, what we are doing, that model attribute, just think about that, we are taking what? Just in the project, right? In the project, what just model data we are creating or not? This attribute name we are passing, right? This attribute, just I want to see show here only to you people, okay na? But don't worry, I will create one fresh project, I will implement those things in the project. For that, this attribute name we will pass inside that, what? Inside that, here in the path, okay na? That's it. Using spring form tag library we will write like this, and using what is that? HTML, we are writing like this only, okay na? So we are writing the like this theory. This is, I know that this is a look like theory, friend, but based on this concept, too much big concept is there, because of that I'm explaining, okay na? Please concentrate, and if really serious about that, don't leave the meeting. That's it, okay na? So, okay, so fine, because I will give the conclusion about these things, okay, na, as a last only. Initially, if anybody saying that he give the conclusion why we are na, so I know that a beginning just I started the things, okay, na, it's look like little bit bore, but don't worry, when I will implement in the project, that at the time you people will enjoy, because already we are expending the time on the small things, right? Small things, on the small things we are expending the time, okay na. So using, yeah, how we are writing that in the HTML, we are writing the input like this, but whenever we are using the Spring Form Tag library, right, we are writing like this, okay na, we are writing like this is the input, right? After, then what is that password button, right? So we are giving sometime input to password inputs we are giving to int user, like, so in that whenever we are putting any side anything in the box, right? So all those things, our what is that, our browser is treating like, what is that, 1 minute, how it is star star, right? In the star star, so password is not showing that whenever we are putting the password in the box, right? In the box we are putting the password, it's look like this star star. So for that, how we are writing in the HTML code, and how we are writing in the what is that, using what is the spring form tag library. Let's see that tags, right? Let's see that tags, okay now. So how it is, input type equal to what is that, password. Inside that we are passing PASSWORD, right? Yeah, password like this. After, then we are giving the name attribute, right? Name attribute, fine. After, then what we are doing, that close it, right? This is the HTML style, right? This is the HTML style whenever we are writing that. But whenever we are using a Spring Form Tag library, at the time we are writing like this, okay now. How we are writing, form colon what is that, form colon input, no, sorry, password, not input, right? Directly we are writing what, directly we are writing form colon what is that, password. After, then what is that, path, right? Path. After, then close it, right? So this is the STL style, this is the STL style. And this one is what, HTML style, right? This one is what, HTML style. This one is what, HTML style. And this one is what, STL, Spring Form Tag Library style. This one is the Spring Form Tag Library style, okay na. I will implement each and everything, okay na. When I will implement, at the time you people will get clear picture, don't worry about that, okay na. So after, then one more, another one input also there. Which one? Radio button we are giving na. We are giving the radio button, right? Radio button to end user, right? We are giving the radio button to end user. So how we are writing, radio button in HTML? Let's see that, right? Let's see that how we are writing radio button. Input type equal to what is that, inside that we are saying that what is that, radio button, right? Radio. After, then what is that, name. After, then what is that, value. We are giving the value. In that value we are giving the male or female, right? Female. After, then what we are doing, that we are closing now. After, then what we are doing, that just female, right? Like this we are writing HTML code, right? So same like how we are writing HTML code, how sorry, STL code. Whenever we are talking about that radio button, how we are writing that, let's see that, okay na. Let's see that, okay. So fine. So now how we are writing that, farm colon, right? Farm colon, what is that, farm colon farm colon radio, right? Button Radio button. After, then what is that, path, right? Path equal to, just we are passing the path of what, our model data, right? Or here what we are doing, that male or female, right? like this is what STL style, STL Spring Form Tag Library style, and this one is what HTML style, right? This one is what, this one is what HTML style, okay na? So same, like same things, okay na? Checkbox, so also there means text area, like we are giving the address a kind of things to end user, right? So how, like text area we are giving, right? Long boxes we are giving na, to input, to give the input address kind of things to end user, right? So for that, HTML style, let's see that HTML style. What is the HTML style? What is the HTML style? Okay na? So HTML style is what, how we are writing that? Friend, after 10 minutes the meeting will end, okay na? Please come back, okay? So now fine, so how we are writing now? Okay, so see that, right? See that. So text area in input, what is that? Text area, right? After then what we are giving now? Now name, right? Now name, after the name what we are doing, that name, right? Name we are giving, after then what is that? Yeah, just name we are giving, right, in the text area. After then what we are doing now? Close it. We are closing that text area, right? Area, right? So this is the what, spring text area style, right? The spring text area style. But whenever we are using this text area, right, I will implement each and everything, friend, okay na? Don't worry about that, okay? So text area, right? We are like this is what, our what, this is our what, HTML style. Whenever we are using the form, whenever we are writing the form, in the form we are using this input, right? We are using this input. So this is the style of what, this is the style of what, our spring HTML. But using what is that, using STL, spring form tag library, how we are writing that? See that, okay na? So prefix we are giving, what is that? Form colon, what is that? What is that? Don't worry, I will take to you people slowly, okay na? Please analyze the things, okay na? So okay na? So what is that? Text form colon text area, right? Oh, text area, right? After then what is that? Path equal to, after then close it. This style is what, this style is what, our what is that, our text area style, using what is spring form tag library, right? STL, using what is that? STL, okay na? So fine, and one another checks boxes also there, like if end user want, like how, if one person know that, right? No person, one person know that multiple language, so for that we are giving on the form what, multiple check boxes are not. So it's not meaning that like Hindi, what is that? Hindi Hindi Hindi, after then English, one person, ENG, English, after then what is that? Another one more, one more, Telugu, I don't know Telugu spelling. I think Telugu. Perfect, right? Leave it. So one person can know multiple language also, right? One person can know multiple languages, right? So for that, what is that? We are giving check boxes to end user, right? Check boxes. For that, how in the form, right? How in the form? Acha, Telugu. Okay. Okay. And leave it, okay na? Okay, so for that, what is that? What is that? We are giving what? Check boxes to end user. So let's see that, using what is that? HTML, using what is that? HTML, how we are writing these check boxes, and whenever we are implementing using STL, how we are writing that, okay na? How we are writing that? Okay, so now fine. So using what is that? Input type equal to what is that? Checkbox, right? Checkbox, like that. After then another one attribute is what? Name is there. Name, right? We are writing the name, okay na? So like that, this is what our checkboxes. After then one more tag we are taking, value equal to like Hindi, right? After then here also Hindi we are writing. like that we are using, what is that, using this tag is what, this tag is HTML style, but whenever we are using what is that STL style, Spring Form Tag Library, I will give the special too much specialty is there using Spring Form Tag Library. Okay na, this concept we are using to editable, make our page as a editable. Okay na, because of that I'm explaining this concept, and I will give the real time scenario based on this concept only, friend. Okay na. So okay, so now another one is what, another like form colon. Okay na, how we are writing this check boxes using what, using STL form colon, what is that, form colon checkbox, after then what is that, path, right, path. So this one will be have what, checkbox, right. So in using what is that, STL, right, STL, after then what is that, drop down selection, right, we are giving the drop down button to end user, like think about that, given state is, sorry, country we are giving the India, US, after then Sri Lanka, like different company for sorry, country. For that what we are giving that, for that what we are giving to end user, right, drop down button we are giving or not, drop down we are button we are giving, right, drop down button we are giving to end user, right. So selection box, that is called what, like select, just I'm writing here, what is that, select, right, select, fine. So after then okay, so now, so if we are giving drop down button using how what is the HTML code, what is the HTML code, let's see that, right, how we are writing that in the form, how, like select, right, select, another one is a name attribute is there inside this one only, right. After then what is that, close select, right. So inside that multiple option we are giving, right, multiple option we are giving, what is that, option, after then value attribute is there inside that. Okay, so close it. Okay, this is the HTML style, right, this is the HTML style whenever we are writing that, but whenever we are using STL style, right, what is the STL style, let's see that, right, let's see that. Okay now, so our STL style is what, like what is that, form colon what is that, select, after then what is that, path, right, path. Okay na, after then what is that, close, form colon select, form colon select. Okay na, inside that we are giving the option, how we are giving the form colon what is that, form colon option, after then value, like this, like this we are form, after then form colon option. Okay, this is the style of what, STL, to writing any form. Okay na, to writing any form, drop down buttons. Okay na, after then what is that, hidden also sometime, to hide our primary key at the time of editing the page in the real time. Okay na, we are using hide. I will use every concept, whatever concept, but wait till now, until unless I'm not giving the implementation of all those things. Okay na, so hidden form, some things, that on the page the things is not visible, but inside that things is working, right. So for that if we want to hide those things, for that hidden in the HTML we are using, how we are using that tag, like input input type equal to what is that, hidden, input type equal to what is that, hidden, right, hidden, after then what is that, name, after then what is that, name, right, name tag we are giving, right, name tag we are giving. Okay na, so after then what is that, form, but this is what, HTML style, right, HTML style, but whenever we are using what, the things as what, the things as a STL, right, STL, how we are writing that. So, like form colon what is that, hidden path, hidden path, okay na, hidden path, okay. So like that, this is what STL style, okay na. So these are the different inputs are there in the what, these are the different input is there in the what is that forms. And equivalent code, I explained equivalent code HTML, equivalent code STL, right, how we are writing that. So but the thing is, so whenever we are designing the inputs, we know that based on the, in the last session we learn, right, in the last session we learn based on the model data, right, model data we are designing the inputs, right. So let's one design one application based on this input. But